Hi, my name is Desiree Rush. I am a speech language pathologist, and today I'm here to help walk you through how to use the app Symbolit to create visuals on the fly for your students or your child. First, you're going to select the Symbolit app. Then you'll open that app, and as it opens, it's going to ask you if you would like it to allow notifications or not. So that is your decision there. Now this is the main screen that you'll see. The bottom right, they'll see that blue record button. That's what you're going to press to have your voice recorded and translated into pictures. Right now I'm going to first give you a choice between cookies and milk. If you're giving your child a choice at snack time, say cookies, milk. So what I did is I pressed that bottom blue button, and while I said cookies, milk, it then translated that into pictures. Now this bottom little hamburger menu down here, if you press that, that's where it's going to allow you to choose what the symbol size is, if you want large, extra large, how you want your symbols to display, whether you want color coding or not, meaning your nouns are going to be coded. They're going to code as far as what you would code in a core board. So that's what that's going to do there. And then you can choose whether or not you want it to show the words. You also can choose the symbol system that you use. I used Smarty Symbols in this one. You can choose which symbol system you may want to use dependent upon what your child may use or your student may use. So you can choose that. It also will allow you, and I already chose Maria under here. However, it typically will, here we go. If I hit Smarty Symbols, and I go down here, it will then give me different vocabulary levels. So what this is nice for is finding someone that may represent your child. So if your child is female, you may want to choose Maria like I did. You can choose who you would like to choose there to represent your child, and then once you're done. So I changed it to extra large, so you'll see how the symbols change to be larger. Now if I had a longer sequence, say I wanted cookies, milk, or a cheese stick. Cookies, milk, cheese stick. Oh, it translated literally cheese and stick. Okay, well, we can delete here. Cookies, milk, cheese. Okay, well, you can see, being that I have it on set as extra large, I would need to scroll down. What I would suggest is if you're using this to give your child choices and they're going to point to the choice or point and say the choice, you may then want to reduce your symbol size. I'll reduce it even more actually, so that they would all appear on the same page. But that's entirely up to you. You can also translate what you are saying if you are looking to just give your child a verbal, or rather a visual model, or if you want to give a carrier phrase, you may want to say, I want. And then your child, see how this is shows Maria. So I want, and then they can say what they would like. If you want that to give them choices, you may want to say I want and then give them their choices below. So for example, I want cookies, milk, cheese. So now you have your I want visuals on top, so the child could tap I want, and then they can make a choice as to whether they want cookies, milk, or cheese. Or who knows, maybe they want I want cookies, milk, and cheese. That's up to them. But that will give you your visuals to help support your child at home. I hope this is helpful for you, and let me know if you need any additional assistance.